Thutha wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka gukirira thirikari akiuga na itanya ria kwandikithia andu matari a Kenya ta aikia a kura bururi-ini, muoroto uriku ya githurano kia 2027 ciuria riu no ithiete na mbere na kwiyumiria.
Ile vetting ambayo imesumbua wananchi wa Northern Kenya kwa miaka 60, leo nimesema hiyo maneno ya vetting iondolewe, ndio vijana wote wa Kenya wapate vitambulisho.
These are the days of accountability, and we hope William Ruto's administration is not going to register aliens as voters.
There has never been any area of this country where someone went and said, I want a form to apply for an ID, and they were denied.
Ndeto ino ikihana gwithege ya thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi guteaniria mihinga uheani-ini wa ibandi kuri aikaria rugongo rwa bururi, na oho gukirikana kuri na andu matari a bururi uyu makoretwo makiyandikithia ta aikari a bururi uyu na njira ya ngungo.
We've been going around and selling to us kangumu and coffee. I challenge you today to take your phone and send them money via M-Pesa. They all now have national IDs and they all now have Kenyan names.
Ndeto ino ataramu wa maundu ma mwathanire marauga iratuma kuoneke ta kuri na njama yarirwo ya gukaneheria speaker wa bunge ya bururi Moses Wetangula, na ithenya-ini riu Odinga heo mweke wa kuneana speaker na mutongoria wa ringi bunge-ini ya bururi ari ta njira ya kumuhoreria kungituika ni akorwo ni giturwa kia chairman wa AUC.
Mwenye presidenti ena fata muno na constituency ya Raila Odinga, tondu riu nio arona itigarite niho ehocetie, tondu uri stake nene muno ya mwena wa Kirimeri mwehereire. Riu no nginya ethe a strong ally ukumurehera ya kura ciothe hatari na kubahatisha, na I think mundu uria onete ungihota kudeliver kubahatisha ni Raila Odinga.
O ni kurumirira itua ria igoti kuri acirithania atatu maugite Wetangula ni agararire gatiba gicunje kia 108 ni kwandikithia ciama ithano cia Azimio rungu rwa ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza.
It is hereby declared that the Honorable Speaker's ruling or determination contained in his communication from the chair made on 6th October 2022 on the majority and minority in the National Assembly violated Article 108 of the Constitution, and therefore it is null and void.
Riu maitho mothe merekeirio kuri bunge ya bururi kuona mogaruruku maria mekwiyumiria thutha uyu, kuona atongoria amwe ta Kalonzo Musyoka ni moritie Wetangula gutiga wira kuona ni agararire gatiba. Riri igoti ririte Wetangula no atetie itua riri na njira ya gucokia cira riko. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.